Are you tired of the endless cycle of researching, writing, and formatting? Imagine a system that does it all for you. A system that writes unique SEO-optimized articles, generates the images, and posts them to Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Today, I'm not just telling you. It's possible. I'm showing you exactly how to build it. The world of AI moves at lightning speed. Trying to report on it manually is a recipe for burnout. You're stuck in a content treadmill, constantly chasing the next story. But what if we could use AI to report on AI? That's exactly what this system does. We're going to create an automation that scans your emails for interesting news, sends the articles to an AI to be researched and completely rewritten, generates a new title, SEO keywords, and a custom image, and finally assembles everything into a perfect WordPress draft, ready for your final review. The main tool we're using to connect everything is make.com. It's like digital Lego bricks for building automations. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which bricks to connect and how. Alright, before we build the machine, we need to lay the foundation. This is the one-time setup you'll need to do. First, your WordPress site. I'm assuming you already have one. The most important thing here is to install a good SEO plugin. I recommend Rank Math or Yoast. This is crucial because our automation will populate the SEO fields for us. Also for security, create a new user account with an author role. We'll call it our automation bot. Second, a make.com account. The free plan is great for simple things, but for a multi-step workflow like this, you will need one of their paid plans to handle the workload. It's the engine for our whole operation. Third, an AI service API. This is our genius writer. You'll need an API key from Google AI Platform to access Gemini. This is what will do the actual research and writing. And finally, an image service. You can use an AI image generator like DALL-E 3 or even a stock photo API from Pexels or Unsplash to automatically find and create your featured images. Got all that? Great. Let's build the magic. Okay, welcome to the make.com scenario builder. This is where it all comes together. We're going to add modules one by one. Step 1 is the trigger. It all starts with an email. We'll use the Gmail module and set it to watch emails. The trick is to filter it, so it only runs for our specific AI newsletters. You can filter by the sender's email address or words in the subject line, like AI Weekly. Step 2 is to extract the link. Newsletters are full of links, we only want the main article. So we add a text parser module. We'll use a simple pattern, what's called a regular expression, to scan the email's body and pull out just the URL of the main story. Step 3 is the AI brain. This is the most important step. We'll add a Google AI Platform module or an HTTP module to connect to the Gemini API. This is where we talk to our AI. And the secret to getting great results is the prompt. You don't just say, rewrite this. You give it a role and a very specific set of instructions. You'll tell it, you are an expert SEO content writer. Analyze the content at this URL, and then you ask it to return the output in a clean JSON format. This is a pro tip. It makes the data super easy to work with. We'll ask it to generate 5 things: a title for the post, the rewritten article itself using Markdown for formatting, a short summary for the SEO meta description, a list of keywords, and an image prompt, a description for our AI image generator. Step 4 is to parse the AI's response. The AI gives us a block of code. We use the parse JSON module to instantly break that down into individual pieces of data: title, article, keywords, SEO meta description, and image prompt that we can now use anywhere. Step 5 is to create the image. Now for the visuals, we add a module for DALL-E or your image service of choice. In the prompt field, we simply map the image prompt data we got from our AI. The AI tells the other AI what image to create. It's awesome. Step 6 is to upload to WordPress. Once the image is generated, we can't use it yet. We first need to upload it to our website. We use the WordPress module and the Create a Media Item action. This puts the image in our media library and gives us a media ID. Step 7 is to assemble the final post. This is the grand finale. We add one last WordPress module, this time selecting Create a Post. Now, we just map all our data. The title goes in the title field. The rewritten article goes in the content field. The media ID from the last step gets plugged into the featured media slot. And in the advanced settings, we map our summary and keywords directly into the Rank Math or Yoast SEO fields. And for the most important setting, set the post status to draft. I repeat, set it to draft. You might be tempted to set the status to publish and have a fully hands-off system. I strongly advise against this. Automation is your assistant, not your replacement. The status draft setting is your quality control. It's your safety net. It lets you do a final 2-minute review to check for any weird phrasing from the AI, ensure the tone matches your brand, add a personal touch or an internal link, and most importantly, make sure you are ethically and responsibly publishing content. You can even automate adding a based on reporting from link to credit the original source. This final human touch is what separates a good automated site from a soulless content farm. Now here's where things get really powerful. Once your article is created as a draft, we're going to add another layer of automation to promote it across all your social media channels. But here's the smart part. We're not just going to post the same caption everywhere. Each platform has its own culture and audience, so we need custom captions for each one. Step 8 is to generate social media captions. We're going to call the Gemini API one more time, add another Google AI platform or HTTP module. This time, we'll give it a different prompt. We'll say, "You are a social media expert." Based on this article title and summary, create 4 unique social media captions in JSON format. One for Facebook that's friendly and conversational, one for LinkedIn that's professional and insightful, one for X that's punchy and under 280 characters with relevant hashtags, and one for Reddit that's informative and community-focused without being too promotional. Make sure to include the article URL placeholder in each caption. Then we'll parse this JSON response just like we did before by adding a data structure for Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and Reddit. Step 9 is to post to Facebook. Add a Facebook module and select Create a Post Action. Connect your Facebook page. In the message field, map the Facebook caption from the parsed JSON. You can also attach the featured image URL here to make the post more visual. Make sure to include the link to your WordPress article so people can click through. Step 10 is to post to LinkedIn. Add a LinkedIn module and select Create a Share Action. Connect your LinkedIn profile or company page. Map the LinkedIn caption and the article URL. LinkedIn loves professional insights, so this caption will be more thought leadership focused. Step 11 is to post to X. Add an X formerly Twitter module and select Create a Tweet Action. Connect your X API if it is working. Map the X caption, which will be short, snappy, and include hashtags. The link to your article will automatically be shortened by X. Step 12 is to post to Reddit. This one requires a bit more care. Add a Reddit module and select Submit a Link Post Action. You'll need to specify which subreddit to post to. I recommend creating your own subreddit for your AI news site, or carefully selecting relevant communities that allow self-promotion. Map the Reddit caption as the post title, and your article URL as the link. Be very careful with Reddit. Communities there hate spam, so make sure your content genuinely adds value. And here's a pro tip. You might want to add a delay module between each social media post. Set it to wait maybe 5 to 10 minutes between each platform. This makes your posting pattern look more natural and human, rather than blasting everything out at once. So what's the total cost? To automatically generate and promote 150 articles a month, you're looking at around $20 per month. This total breaks down into 3 simple parts. About $10 for the Make.com automation platform, $4 for the Gemini Pro API to do all the writing, and $6 for an AI image generator. If you use a free stock photo service instead, your total cost drops to just $14 a month. At less than 15 cents per article, this system saves you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars compared to hiring a writer, paying for itself instantly. And there you have it. A complete system that takes a single email and turns it into a high-quality, SEO-ready draft, saving you countless hours every single week. You go from being a content creator to a content CEO, overseeing the system instead of doing the manual labor. The power of this is that it frees you up to focus on what really matters: growing your audience, building your brand, and planning your next big move. If this blueprint was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into automation and AI. And now I have a question for you. What is one task in your content creation process you would love to automate? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.